We've all been there. You're working out, eating right, but that stubborn belly fat just won't budge. It's frustrating, demotivating, and can make you want to give up altogether. But don't worry, there's hope. We're going to break down how to tackle belly fat and achieve your fitness goals. The key is to understand that there's no magic pill or quick fix. It takes a multifaceted approach that combines a calorie deficit, exercise, and consistency. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that will help you achieve long-term success. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Millions of people struggle with belly fat, and with the right information and strategies, you can overcome this challenge. So let's dive in and learn how to finally conquer that stubborn belly fat. The first step to burning belly fat is understanding the concept of a calorie deficit. Simply put, you need to burn more calories than you consume. It's the fundamental principle behind weight loss. Think of it like this. Your body is a machine that needs energy to function. The food you eat provides this energy in the form of calories. When you consume more calories than your body needs, it stores the excess as fat. To lose fat, you need to create an energy deficit, forcing your body to tap into those fat stores for fuel. Tracking your calorie intake is crucial for creating a deficit. Thankfully, there are tools like MyFitnessPal that make it easier than ever. MyFitnessPal allows you to log your meals, track your calories, and even see the macronutrient breakdown of your food. Remember, a pound of body fat is equivalent to 3,500 calories, so a daily deficit of 500 calories can lead to losing 1 pound of fat per week. It's a simple equation, but it requires discipline and consistency. Cardio is your secret weapon against belly fat. It increases your heart rate, metabolism, and burns calories. Choose from running, swimming, cycling, or brisk walking. Find an activity you enjoy. Walking is effective for burning calories and improving health. Aim for 30 minutes most days. While cardio is great for burning calories, weightlifting is crucial for building muscle. And the more muscle you have, the higher your metabolism will be, leading to more calories burned even at rest. Don't be intimidated by the weight room. Start with basic compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. These exercises work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing calorie burn and muscle growth. Weightlifting not only helps you burn fat, but also sculpts your physique, giving you a toned and defined look. It's about more than just losing weight, it's about transforming your body composition. Now let's talk about fueling your transformation. What you put into your body is just as important as the exercises you do. Eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods can make a world of difference. Think of it as providing high-quality fuel for your body. Make sure to include plenty of lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. These nutrients are essential for muscle repair and energy. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water plays a crucial role in almost every bodily function, especially when you're working out regularly. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about perfection, but about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick with over time. So, start today, and fuel your body the right way for a healthier, fitter you. Alright, let's dive into one of the most effective combinations for burning stubborn belly fat, the StairMaster and filling foods. The StairMaster is a fantastic cardio machine that targets your lower body and core, helping you burn calories efficiently. Pair this with a diet rich in filling foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods keep you satisfied longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy options. So, give this combo a try and watch the results unfold. Now it's important to make these changes stick. Consistency is key in any fitness journey. Start by setting realistic goals and gradually increasing your intensity. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Keep track of your workouts and meals to stay accountable. And don't forget to reward yourself for milestones achieved. This will keep you motivated and on track towards your belly fat burning goals. Let's go over a sample plan to get you started. Begin your week with 3 sessions on the StairMaster, each lasting about 30 minutes. On alternate days, incorporate strength training focusing on your core and lower body. For your diet, aim for balanced meals that include a mix of proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Snack on fruits, nuts, and yogurt to keep your energy levels up. This plan is designed to be flexible, so adjust it according to your needs and progress. In conclusion, burning stubborn belly fat requires a combination of effective workouts, a nutritious diet, and consistency. The StairMaster and filling foods combo is a great starting point. Remember to make these changes stick by setting realistic goals and rewarding your progress. Now, it's time to take action. Start implementing these tips today and take control of your fitness journey. You've got this.